So some of the things that inspired me for this red flower piece was actually the white camellia. And I kept simplifying the image of white camellia as a motif. I worked with a very limited palette, repeated, and some of the shapes the flowers are the same, different sizes, and created a field of flowers. If you can imagine you're walking into the field of flowers, you stand right in the middle and you look down at those flowers. You see all these flowers reaching towards the skies, and you can see all these beautiful shapes and colors and just everything in just multiple color palettes. And so that's what I want to capture. This conveys the happiness, just the springtime, and we are all excited, ready to go outside.